Hey guys, check out what we got today. We got a 7-inch rear view mirror dash cam with a backup camera. So I just got it and we're gonna have to do the unboxing for this beauty and see what it has. That's the first time opening it, so I'm just gonna be following it up same as you, and we're gonna see what it has. Alright, stay tuned. So as far as for the box, it really looks nice. I wasn't expecting it to be so nice compared to the price tag. You would think for this price tag you'd probably get like a cheap flimsy box, but this one's nice and solid, cardboard, colorful. It has all the information, like what it has inside. There's nothing on this side, nothing on this side, nothing here. It only has it on this side, same picture. So really not much information, but I guess that's most important is inside. So let's just open it up. Okay, so we just pull this off. Oops, it's pretty tight. Well, pull it off. Okay, let's see what's inside. Let's open this cover. Ooh, nice. Got a little protective screen. Oh, wow. Wow. I didn't expect it to be so nice. Actually, it's really cool. And it's like a mirror, so you can actually use it as a mirror in your car or truck. And it has this nice big 7-inch display. I'm not sure how it's working yet, but so far it looks pretty cool, and I'm really excited for it. See how it works. Okay, let's take it out. Can't believe you get this all this for the price tag that they got for it. So this is how it looks. It has a power button on the bottom. This is your clips for the mirror. And then on this side you have your micro SD card slot. Then you have this USB U charger, and then it's your better go like this. And then this is your, I'm not sure what that is, but anyway, so this is how it looks from top, and this is how it looks from the back. So this is going to be hanging on your mirror, rear view mirror. Oh, the camera looks pretty awesome. The camera looks pretty big, and yeah, as you can see, it sticks out quite a bit. And let's see if you can actually twist it a little bit, if it's movable. Yeah, you can adjust it, so depending on how the mirror hangs, you can adjust it up and down. And it swivels, so that's really nice. So you can get the best view angle out of your camera. Okay. This camera, this backup camera, it also has the built-in battery, so that's real cool. Let's see and turn it on and see how it looks inside. So here we go. Oh wow, quickly turns on. So you can see a little bit of reflection, but if you look like this, you can see that screen is nice and big, so you can actually, when you back up, you can see really everything. It's got a wide angle too. I'm gonna do a more detailed review about the software that it has and about all the functions that it has in the second part of the video, so stay tuned. But for now, let's go see what other things are in the box. Alright, let's see what else in the box. So we got this cardboard pieces again. Then you got your support paper. Oh, they even give you a sticker set just to tell you that you got a dash cam recorder, so people know that you're recording. Don't drive like crazy. So what else? Let's see what else they got here. Okay, so yeah, this is your basic instructions, and what else here? Yeah, just thank you for buying this camera. Then you can put this on the back of your car, and then everybody knows you have a dash cam in your car, so that's pretty cool. And what else they give you is they give you this nice rubber grips. Not sure exactly how they work yet, but we'll find out, and I'll show you in a further video how this works. And they also give you this little 3M tape clips that you can use for hooking up probably on the windshield, or maybe for the rear view camera. You can hook it up on the back window. And they give you this little plastic pry bar, probably to remove those sticky 3M tape clips. Okay, and what else we got here? We have, oh, this is our backup camera. So yeah, like I said, guys, this is amazing, like what you get in this deal. Like, you get a backup camera, you get a 7-inch dash cam with you can put a 32GB card. So this is nice. Wow, this is so tiny. Like, this is real tiny. This is so tiny. Like, this camera is so puny. I can't believe it looks much bigger on the picture, but check this out. So this is 1 loonie, Canadian dollar, and look at its size. Like, its diameter of the loonie is bigger than the camera. And I'm holding it right there so you can see. Check this out, that's so cool. So when you put it back under the license plate or something, you can really, it doesn't take much room and you can see everything. That's cool. Okay, so yeah, you got a cable here. You have a long cable. This is probably plugged to your camera. Oh yeah, so now we know what this port is for. It's for your backup camera. And yeah, this wire is probably going to your reverse light, so it activates your camera as soon as you put your transmission in the reverse. So this is it here, and this is your power cable to plug into the cigarette lighter to have a 12-volt power to the dash cam. Even though it has the battery, but you still want to run it off your car battery. This is your USB. Pretty long cable, so you probably can hook it up into the rear of your outlet, cigarette lighter outlet, instead of taking room up front. And this is your manual. So it's Toguard SE35-1 Full HD dash cam, 7-inch touchscreen, and backup camera. So, well, this is it for the unboxing, and if you want to check out another video and see how it works, I'm gonna do a little review on how this stuff works and what kind of features it has. And there's also going to be another video up here. It's going to be the installation video, and we're going to have all the steps to install this camera, and then we're going to see how it works in the real world. Thanks guys for watching, and stay tuned. If you want, please subscribe and leave me your comments below and see if you like this camera and what you think about it. Alright, have a nice day and see you soon. Bye bye.